Welcome to the next section of the course. This is Number Wizard UI, and we're taking the code base that we created in Number Wizard console. Remember where we were having a guess of higher or is it lower, and printing that out to the console. We're going to take that code base and we're going to implement an interactive user interface so that we can click buttons and determine what happens within the game. So this is going to mean getting a little bit deeper into the UI canvas, talking about anchoring, how we anchor our elements using text, using buttons, and using images to make our game interesting. Where in terms of the buttons, we will link up our button functionality with our code functionality so that we can have a public method within our script that we can call when the button is pushed. So we've talked previously about calling a method from another script. Now we're going to call a method from a button push, which is really cool. Getting our game, getting our fundamentals really taking shape with what it is that we're up to in terms of our game development journey. We're going to be looking as well in a lot of detail about scenes and scene loading. Again, this is a foundation that we're going to build upon in the later sections of the course. The first scene we'll have will be the welcome to the game, what is your guess? The next scene will be the main part of the game, which is it higher, is it lower? That's where we're doing all the guess functionality. If you click on the this you got it correct button, then that will load up the third scene, which will be a well done, congratulations, game over, would you like to play again scene. So we'll be having those scenes that we load and we progress through, working through that functionality, as well as getting our buttons hooked up and creating a game that someone can click and play and go through the whole game flow, the whole game loop of the game. Okay, so in the next video, we're going to talk a little bit about the game design to make sure that we're super clear on exactly what it is that we're creating. And then after that, we're going to be diving in and creating the functionality of Number Wizard. So let's jump in and get started.